Okay guys, welcome back. This is the next video, and we've created like this redundant loading screen, which I'm going to delete. And then I'm going to then use this one to go to the home screen, just so I have a loader. I like to have a loader. I think it's good. It allows your application to have some pizzazz, some kind of like branding. And what else you can do, by the way, here is when you choose the actual screen itself, you can put a background on the screen itself by going to Styles here and choosing an image. So let me see what I got. It's kind of cool. I know it's definitely too big. And I think certain types of images you cannot load. Oh, you know why? Because I don't have an extension on it, which is kind of weird. I must have messed that up by accident. And then choose it. And so there it's all filled out. It's really ugly, and I don't care. I don't care. One like that. That's kind of cool. And you can make it so if your thing is full screen, you can make your image go all the way across, and then also you can set a background. So if you click on here again and you go back and edit styles, you can go in here and you can say, let me give it a background. Maybe like a F1. It's a little bit too much. Maybe like 1, 2, 3. That's too much. So F is your white. So maybe like F0, F0, F0. Or maybe like F3. Anyway, something, right? And now I have the background. I have my background color, my background image, and then I have a logo here. And what I could do, I'm going to show you this, is I can go to down below to edit styles, and I can either set a border for that image, or I can do opacity, so it's like not so bright, or I can make it round. In this case I don't need to make it round because it already is round, or I can even set a background there too, which I will not do. I will not do it, but I could pull this. Leave it like that, it's fine. So now when we preview this, again, I don't know why it doesn't populate that one. Who knows? Like our loading screen, and for some reason it didn't show our loading screen, did it? Did you see that? That's interesting, isn't it? I mean, I think it's not, maybe it's not safe, or it could be. Let's see here. Go to login here. That's a loading page, right? Let's do it again. There we go. You saw it. That's kind of a very short one. But, you know, sometimes it will get slower, and there's ways to make it slower, which we'll discuss in the next videos or in the future. Okay, this is enough for this video. I'll talk about other things in the next video. See you guys soon. For watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Just continue on to the next video, and we'll just continue where we left off. Thanks. Like, share, subscribe. Awesome.